The Indian Army brings about its first exhibition and display event in Nagpur. This is a large-scale event taking place by the Indian Army for the first time in Nagpur. Shaurya Sandhya is going to take place in Mankapur Sports Complex from February 2nd to the 4th by the Indian Army. The event is divided into two broad categories: display and exhibition. In the display segment, weaponry and equipments, both old and new, would be showcased. Various sports activities such as skydiving, paramotor racing, horse riding, motorcycle, daredevil team, etc. would be available. The event would conclude with the Indian Army Symphony Band and a 10 to 15 minutes drone show with about hundreds of drones. The event is open and free of cost for all the public.